Currently on the screen is a capture of the International Space Station tracking down to the east of Indonesia a couple of hours ago. Ex-Tropical Cyclone Joyce, which is now the remnants, was located around 100 kilometres off the coast from Geraldton, moving to the south, and it's likely to move to the south-southwest, adjacent to the Geraldton coast during Monday. And considering that we're on the 15th of January 2018, we have a very active South Indian Ocean region. And welcome to another update from the AU channel. Force 13 is providing regular updates on the tropical cyclone, which is impacting or will impact on the Mauritius region. Here's the life of Joyce up to earlier today. Bureau Meteorology over there in WA has in place a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall for the central west and lower west districts. Location of Joyce, 28.4 degrees south, 113.6 east, maximum winds 25 knots, and central pressure around 1004. And here's the current tracks on the ex-cyclone. The low pressure system is expected to bring heavy rainfall, which may lead to flash flooding over the southeast and central west, northeastern lower west, the western central wheat belt. Widespread daily totals of between 40 to 60 millimetres possible across the warning area, with isolated falls up to 100 millimetres. And conditions will gradually ease over northern parts of the warning area. Here's a look at the wind shear. We still have Invest 98S on the radar. And here's the 24-hour shear tendency. The upper level divergence. The 850 millibar vorticity, and where Invest 98S is located, not looking very healthy. And located 16.5 degrees south, 111.6 degrees east, maximum winds 20 knots. However, central pressure is 1003 millibars. Here's a look at the Himawari 8 satellite view, and look at the rotation from Joyce. Now here's a look at the floaters on Invest 98S. Here's some models and their tracks on the Invest. Severe weather is no longer occurring in the Gascoyne and Central West Belt districts. The warning has been cancelled. We also have a road weather alert for the Perth region. Now we look at the wind speed in knots, and this is across the next 24 hours. We have an initial flood warning for the Moore and Hill rivers, one for the Gascoyne River to Grey River. Now here's the rainfall percentages. The latest total forecast of rain, and we have a deep low pressure system central Tasman Sea region to impact New Zealand. But again, look at the rainfall predicted for the top end. Now we look at the Canadian model. At the time of doing this update, these models were in the updating mode, so I've had to go back to an earlier model. And the city of Perth could receive 3 months worth of rain in 24 hours. Now this is a GFS model for precipitable water. And another look at pressure and wind, and you can see the deep low is expected to get down to at least 988 millibars. And this model is actually picking up another system, northwest WA, but look at that Coral Sea possibility. Here's the, I think it's a Canadian model. Keep tuned to the AU and the main Force 13 channels for more updated information. And here's a look at storm probabilities. This is out to at least 10 AM tomorrow.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.